Yes, baby, I'm right here. I'm watching you do your antics. Okay, good job. Remember arm and chest. You can do it. Oh. Okay. Oh. Well, almost there. And back we go again. Oh, you really want to turn. Okay. Remember how to get up? Okay. Can't see whether you can breathe. Oh, look at you drool everywhere. All right. What can Vivian do? Here we go. Oh boy. Now what? Oh boy, now what? Do you remember? Do you remember what to do? Wow, you're trying so hard. Determined little girl, aren't you? Determined. Are we trying to make this flash again? Ooh, pretty lights. Now what? Can you do it? I think we're so close. Good job! Oh, just for a second. Oh, we're back. Can you get yourself back? Oh, honey bear. Oh, you don't want to go to your back. You want to find a way to move forward. Are you content on your side? I would be too. Well, valiant effort, Vivian. I'm so proud of you.